Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English online class. So, we were on the first chapter of Moments, the Lost Child. So, we have seen the child went into the fair with his parents, and in the first paragraph, the introduction part is given. Narrow lanes were filled with gaily clad humanity. People were either some were sitting on the you know bullock carts, some were walking, riding horses, and all. So we have seen that how this child got fascinated with the number of toys that were laid there, right? He hurried toward his parents, obedient to their call as they called him, as he was lagged behind due to these toys, right? Okay. He wanted those toys, but his father's cold stare had refusal in their eyes. So he could not do anything with that, right? So his father, in his familiar tyrant's way, rude way, refused to buy those toys, and his mother tried to distract him with the toys by making him look towards a flowering mustard field. And there, what all he saw black bees, butterflies flying. He wanted to catch those butterflies, and next he saw worms and the insects that were coming out to have the sunshines. And next they went into the grove where a shower of young flowers fell upon the child, and forgetting his parents he went to hear the cooing of the doves that he could hear. So he went there. So he was getting fascinated by all these things. Now as they were moving towards the fair, as they neared the village, he could see number of people, like whirlpool of fair there. Number of people were there, and there he saw a sweetmeat seller who was selling sweets, and he wanted burfi from that seller. But again, he knew that his father won't allow him to get that. Next, he saw a flower seller who hawked garland of gulmohar, right? He wanted that garland also, but again he murmured that he wanted garland, but again he knew that his father won't allow him to have that garland because he would think that they were cheap. Now, next thing was a man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green, and purple balloons. So, can you guess who was he? He was the balloon seller. He was having number of colorful balloons with him. Now again, child was simply carried with the rainbow of rainbow colors of the balloon, and he wanted those balloons, right? So he had that desire to possess them all. Possess them all means he wanted to have them all, right? But he well knew that his parents would never buy him balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. Okay, but उन्हें पता था that his parents won't allow him again because they would think, क्या सोचेंगे वो, that he is old enough now, वो बड़े हो गए हैं to play from such toys, right? Okay, so he walked on further. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं वो. Now what he saw, a snake charmer stood playing a flute to a snake which coiled itself in a basket. So now whom he saw a snake charmer जिसके पास snake होता है, right? Okay, so a snake was there coiled in that basket. You must have seen ना snake charmer जो आते हैं बाहर आपके पास snake लेके अपनी basket में. So he saw that. Now its head raised in graceful bend like neck of a swan. Swan is a duck like. Okay, so this his head, whose head, snake's head. Now while the music stole into its invisible ears, जैसे ही music snake के invisible ears में गया, gentle rippling of an invisible water, it looked at as if the movement of the snake is being described like rippling of an invisible waterfall, ऐसा लग रहा था. Now child went towards the snake charmer, but knowingly his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music. As the snake charmer played, he proceeded further, but his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music as the snake charmer मना कर दिया उनके snake charmer का music सुनने के लिए. So he proceeded further. Proceeded means अब आगे गए. Now there was a roundabout in full swing. आगे क्या था? Roundabout. Now what is roundabout? So roundabout is a giant wheel that swing. वो जो झूला होता है बहुत बड़ा, that swing. Okay, Okay, so that giant wheel was there, on which men, women, children, they were carried in whirling motion, round, spiral motions. They were crying, they were enjoying, they were, filled with laughter. And the child watched them. Child ने देखा उनको intently. Intently means as if he wanted to go there, right? Intently, and then he made a bold request. अब उन्होंने एक और bold request की. Bold means with courage. I want to go to roundabout, please, father, mother. So he requested his father, mother that I want to go to that roundabout. Now there was no reply, but there was no reply. This is the moment when there was no reply. This was the first time that there was no reply. He turned to look at his parents, and they were not there ahead of him. So he looked for his parents, but they were not there. So this is the turning point in the chapter. So please listen carefully, that as he looked for his parents, they were not there ahead of him. नहीं थे वो वहाँ पे. He turned to look on either side. He looked here and there to see that they might be on the left or right side, but they were not there. He looked behind, there was no sign of them. And there was a full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body, jerk means dull, his body went dull, that means low energy, because he could not find his parents. He started crying, mother, father. Tear rolls down from his eyes, hot and fierce. Fierce means violent energy. So he became hot, right? And he wanted his parents. He started crying, wailing. So his face, flushed face, because he was crying, was convulsed with fears, was shaken with fear, panic stricken. He was in panic. He ran to one side first, then to other, hither thither, that means here and there, in all directions, knowing not where to go. Mother, father, he wailed. Wailed means cried. His yellow turban came untied, and his clothes became muddy. So his turban was there, right, जो उन्होंने पहना हुआ था सर पे, right, head पे, and it came untied. Untied हो गया, मतलब वो खुल गया. And his clothes became muddy because he was moving here and there and rushing in search of his parents, having run to and fro in a rage of running for a while. In the rage means in a, like he wanted his parents, so he was just running here and there. Okay, so running for a while, he stood defeated. Stood defeated means हार गया वो, उनको parents नहीं मिले, right? And his cries suppressed into sobs. उनके जो cries थे वो क्या हो गए? His cries suppressed into sob. Sob is like, you have your when you cry, your throat becomes, jammed sort of. So he cried a lot in search of his parents. Now at little distance on the green grass, he could see through his filmy eyes. अच्छा, filmy means when your vision is not clear. Filmy means जब आपको अच्छे से नहीं दिखता, blur दिखता है, धुंधला दिखता है, right? Why his eyes were becoming filmy? Because of the all the tears. ठीक है. So men and women were talking, right? He could see men and women talking. He tried to look intently among the patches of bright yellow clothes, but there was no sign of his father and mother among these people, who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. So all the people were enjoying. They were talking, they were laughing, they were enjoying the fair, but he could not see his parents anywhere. Okay, so he ran quickly again, and this time he went to the shrine, to which people seemed to be crowding. Shrine is the temple or worship place, right? So people were crowding there. Every little inch of space here was congested with men. Every little inch was congested with men. Men were there all around, but he ran through people's legs, his little sob lingering. Mother and father, lingering means looking for, right, near the entrance of the temple. However, the crowd became very thick, but the crowd was becoming thick. Thick means it was so, there were so many people there, right? It was so crowded there. Men jostled each other. Jostled is like pushing each other with their elbows. Okay? Heavy men were there, right, with flashing murderous eyes. Or murderous eyes, why have they said murderous eyes? Because it seemed as if they would just run through that kid, because they were so huge men, right? So, and the kid was very small, right? And hefty shoulders, heavy shoulders. The poor child struggled to thrust a way between their feet. He tried. The poor child जो है, why is the child called poor? Because he could not find his parents. That's why the child is called poor here. Okay, now he was struggling through their feet, but knocked to and fro by their brutal movements. Brutal means cruel movements. Now he might have been trampled underfoot. Trampled here means, trampled means step heavily underfoot. Had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice? Shrieked, right? Had he not shrieked? Okay, here shrieked means scream out of pain or terror, right? But what happened? Just see, what was his cry? Father, mother, father, mother. A man in the surging crowd, surging, increasing crowd. So in such an increasing crowd, a man, a man heard his cry. Whose cry? The child's, lost child's cry. And stooping with great difficulty. Stooping means bending, bend hona, to to the height of that boy, bending half of the body with great difficulty, he lifted him up in his arms. उसने क्या किया? He just lifted that boy. The man just lifted that boy in his arms. How did you get here, child? Now he asked him, how did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? The man asked as he steered clear of the mask. Steered means he just went to another space, right? From the crowd to another space. They went from the crowd से थोड़े अलग हट के गए. And then the man asked that what happened? How did you get? आप यहाँ पे कैसे आए? Whose baby are you? And the other questions. Now the child wept more. Wept means again cried more bitterly than ever now. More bitterly मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा than ever now, and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. The man tried to soothe him. Soothe means calm down, console karna, by taking him to the roundabout. Ab the man, what the man is doing now, just see. The man is taking him to all those places he wanted to go. जो भी उनके पेरेंट्स अब तक मना करते आ रहे थे, हर जगह पे दैट पर्सन और द मैन इज टेकिंग हिम टू दैट प्लेस. बट दिस टाइम इट्स डिफरेंट. दिस टाइम द चाइल्ड डजंट वांट टू गो टू दोज थिंग्स और डजंट वांट टू बाय दोज थिंग्स, बिकॉज व्हाट इज हिज ओनली विश नाउ? दैट ही वांट टू हैव हिज parents now, no, not a single other thing. Okay, so now the man went just to console him. He went to, they both went to a roundabout. Will you have a ride on the horse? He gently asked as he approached the ring. Acha, as they approached the ring now, the man gently asked him that do you want to have a ride on the horse? The child's throat tore into a thousand shrill. That means again he was like crying like anything, that his throat tore, tear ho jana, into a thousand shrill sobs. That means he started crying again, and he only shouted. And what was the shout? I want my mother and I want my father. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute. So now the next place they went to was to the snake charmer. Still he was still playing the flute, to the swaying or moving slowly cobra. Listen to that nice music, child. He pleaded, requested. Pleaded means requested. He requested that just listen to that music. But the child shut his ears with his fingers and shouted his double pitched. Double pitched means with double sound. That means he cried like anything, right? And strain. Double pitched strain means force. With double pitched, double force, he just cried, I want my mother, I want my father. Now the man took him near the balloon seller, thinking the bright colors of the balloons would distract the child's attention and quieten him. Quieten him means console kar denge, Okay, so he took him to the balloon seller. अब वो balloon seller के पास गए. Would you like a rainbow colored balloon? He persuasively asked. Persuasively means you want him to have those balloons. So persuasively उन्होंने पूछा that do you want to have such rainbow colored balloons? The child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just sobbed. Again he started crying. That means now the child did not want anything. He just wanted to have his parents. Okay, I want my mother, I want my father. The man, still trying to make the child happy, bore him carried him to the gate where the flower seller sat. Now they went to the flower seller, right? So flower seller was there. Look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? So he asked him, can you smell those nice flowers? Would you like a garland to put round your neck? So this man now, he's just trying to distract that child in order to just make him feel comfortable, right? So but the child just want his parents, right? So he's saying that look, can you smell those flowers? Do you want a garland of that flower to be put around your neck? So did you notice that all the things, this man is taking him to all the places where he wanted to go when he was with his parents? Are you noticing that? Just the difference is that now he doesn't want those things because he wants his parents, but when he was with his parents, the child wanted all those things. Okay, now just see. The child turned his nose away from the basket, and basket of what? Basket of garlands, and repeated his sob, repeated his cry, I want my father, I want my mother. Thinking to the humor of his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets, the man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. What sweets would you like, child? He asked. Again, this man was trying his best possible to make the child comfortable, right? Then they went to the sweet shop, right? So they went towards the counter. He asked that what sweets would you like to have, child? But the child again turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed, I want my mother and I want my father. So now the child only wanted his mother and father, nothing else. He did not want these all sweets and whatever. He is refusing to all these things. Can you think of the reason? It might probably be because his parents want, his parents might have, warned him against accepting things from strangers, right? It would be because he's now not safe. He's not safe now, right? He wanted to be in the safe company of his dear parents. That might be the reason of he not accepting all these things. So this is how your chapter comes to an